If you want the best performance from your LG Ultragear gaming monitor, start by using the Gamer One preset so you can fine-tune settings. Turn Smart Energy Saving off to avoid brightness drops mid-game. Keep the refresh rate at 165 Hz, overclocking to 180 Hz makes little difference, and enable adaptive sync for smooth, tear-free gameplay. If your frame rate is stable 144 Hz or 240 Hz, you can turn on motion blur reduction, though it's less effective at lower brightness. For dark scenes, set the black stabilizer around 55 to 60. Adjust response time to faster if your FPS is above 120, or stick with normal if it's under 100. Brightness should sit between 60 to 100 depending on your room, lowering it in dark spaces to reduce eye strain. Set sharpness and contrast around 60 to 70 for clarity, and use a gamma curve of 2.2 with a white point near 6,500 kelvins. For manual RGB calibration, try R54, G53, B47 for a balanced natural image. These tweaks should give you a strong mix of speed, clarity, and comfort, though you can adjust further to match your own preferences. Do your own research.